Alright, so today I made these fins, or yesterday actually, but I made them twin fin in the 3/4 inch future fin boxes. What they're modeled. This is the 3/4, this is 1/2 inch. Hopefully by the time I get a 3D printer I can try them out and see how they perform. Foil wise, they have a flat foil on the inside, but curves out a good bit on the outside. I'll try to show a bit better angle here. The points are not super sharp, which is good. They're rounded at the end. And yeah, overall I think I did a pretty good job. It'd be fun to see them twin fin. They're 4.5 inches tall. Or sorry, not 4.5, 5.5 inches tall. And they look like a pretty solid template to me. I have to try other materials and mess with some fiberglass and resin. See what's up.